Hey guys, it's Commander Cabinet 3221 and Tech 777, and we are in and out, all out nerf war. And that was my brother. God. Run, Tech 777, run! Where is he? We're up against their father, which is so unevenly matched.
MM17. As we told you in our first video, we were being nerf.
We have no clue. We're being stalked. Wait a second. Run. Alright. We're getting ready to battle. He sees us.
Now it's time to run.
Oh my god!
He's following.
He's stalking us right now.
This is bad. This is so bad.
I don't know where he went. This trench found whenever we moved here. Base. Go down in it. Move. Wet because it rained mostly all night. We have a secret nerf gun in here. Log that leads her to our like million-acre woods. I'm going. Camera boy, could you please hold this? Do you remember what to do? It's hard to hover around.
This is our second round. We forgot to get the BS position, but we won the first round luckily, so
Hi, Kermit.
Dad, we can just call him Dad because you know Dad. And we know his name, but we want to just say it because it's an animal first sometimes. So, Dad.
I'm hovering around the camera and a big nerf gun.
I know he's up here because of
Don't. Alright, you people out there, don't think we're noobs. We just like nerf guns.
By the way, I had the hellfire.
My dad has that one. Want to make camp up here? Oh god! Oh god! I'm missing the number! Run! The side of it. Oh my grace. Oh my grace. I think I ran as fast as my little legs can carry me. Who won?
Daddy.
Yeah. Well, didn't shoot me. Yeah, you did. Just don't lie. And time for reloaders. There's Dad. Hey, Dad.
Oh my grace.
Yeah.
Oh, let's see.
So, that was the end of round one. Okay, Dad, you go up into the front yard. And you go count to 50. Okay, Dad? Wait, I have a good hiding place. Okay, follow me.
I'm looking.
As you know, we were going to our backyard behind our big tractor. Back there's our fort that we only use in summer because it's in winter. Oh, Larry is down there. We're hiding back here. You get behind here. Get behind here. Come on. That's great. You farted. No! You're counting! Okay, as you know, let's go hide in these rushes or something. Let's get behind the wood pile so we can ambush them. Hurry! As you know, we are going behind our big burn boom pile. Ooh! Oh God! It's burger. You're okay. It's okay. Pick him off in a minute. You want to die or do you want to die? Okay, now, you know, I'm right here. We gotta lay down on our tummies. Pick those off. It's burger guys, we hate him. Get down, hurry, he's coming, I see him. Get down and lay down.
No, they're burning.
Pick off your burger guys, don't whine. That's our gigantic wood pile. Burn this sometime. Very bad day. As you know, I have the hellfire. Okay. I have another gun right here. Lay down on your tummy, like I am. Ow. Okay. Now we are getting down on our tummies because we're in camouflage. Just shit. Watch the beautiful cars. That was a bird. Gonna get down on her, Tony. I don't want to. Do you see him anywhere over there? Your nerf gun is jammed. I can see it through the barrel. See him? Oh, yes. Which way? Which way? Okay, then you better get down. If I can move this down a little bit more, we'll be okay. Now just lay down. Stay down. There he is. Then get down. Say you saw him. We'll continue this in another. Hey guys, this is Stack 777. And we will be running around still on the nerf floor. We had to delete some because we fixed stuff. Here, my brother. Commit camera 3221. We'll be holding the camera since he has a one fire gun and I have a double hole gun. I got a double hole gun. Mine's a double hole. I hate this. Smooth. I'm not good with cameras. I think he's up there at the shop. I'm not good with cameras. Oh my God! Hey, we're back and we're being stopped! What was that? It's a match between two guns. The same time. The same bullets. Evenly matched. Coming in February. That's my commercial. You missed! Horribly! Yeah! We got him! Woo! Good job, Texan 77. As the angry birds say, ha ha!
There you go. Why do you find only shoot one shot at a time?
Duh!
You gotta hold the thing down.
Gotta hold what down?
The trigger.
I mean that thing down, the thing that makes it go. That thing you need to hold down.
And then you gotta pull it.
I gotta do what now?
You gotta keep this down.
What down?
That.
This is hilarious. Okay. We got tons of space. It's right here, Brennan.
2, 3, 4. Is the camera still on?
Yes.
Alright, wait a minute, I don't understand.
I need 2. How are you firing?
Do you hold down the button and then press the trigger? Nice shot. Look, you gotta do this. Watch me. See?
Wait a minute.
Hold down the trigger. We're on YouTube.
Point it down the ground.
See? Hold down the trigger and then shoot.
I did that.
And then just...
Show us how you fire. Your ball. Show us how you fire.
Please enjoy the... Aha, that's why it's jammed.
Because you got your crappy balls.
Shouldn't it firing out of the same magazine?
Yeah.
Well, why not? Why
How do
doesn't
you
it?
fire? Do you fire like this?
No.
Oh, fire like that.
Do you fire like
I
this?
shouldn't have to.
Do you fire like this? Boom, 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 boom.
You gotta fire like Texan 77 does. Yeah.
Plus, this thing don't rotate right. What's wrong with this thing?
Let me see that. It rotates.
It rotates only so far.
Huh. Oh wait, there it went.
Keep racking bullets out of it. Why?
I don't know. Use the spectre. Where's the spectre?
You can use my gun.
No, that's right.
Let's use mine. I don't care. Go ahead and use mine, Dad. I have backup mine.
I hear kitty.
Like this? Here, let's just take a minute and test all of the guns.
I know mine works because I shot it at that.
Oh, you gotta pull it back.
Let's go see what this cat is doing. It's Kermit! Hey Kermit! You're on camera. Hey Kermit. Yeah, that was a cat. Kermit. And we'll be back.